Login dashboard. The dashboard shows the current status of the application form. The candidate needs to ensure that all the steps of the application form are completed without fail. Application is divided into 6 steps: personal information, additional information, guardian information, educational information, entrance, transcripts, documents upload. Personal information. Kindly review the details inputted by you during registration. The same details will be printed on your application form. In case of any discrepancy, you can contact our admission expert on the help desk email ID. Please note, if you are applying for undergraduate, you need to fill in the details of grade 10, grade 11, and grade 12 under educational information. If you are applying for postgraduate, you need to fill in your undergraduate details under educational information.